Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. Have you ever pondered why you are the way you are? What factors made you, you? These are intriguing questions that lead us to the concept of personality development. It's a fascinating field that explores how our individual characteristics, behaviors, and thought patterns evolve over time. Personality development is not just about understanding ourselves better, but it's also instrumental in how we interact with the world around us. In the grand tapestry of life, each thread represents a different stage of our personality development. Our early experiences of love, care, and connection, or the lack thereof, lay the groundwork for the people we become. From the critical periods in development that shape us during our early years, to the growth and development in personality that occurs as we age. We'll also delve into the significance of our first bonds, the attachment to our caretaker, and how these early relationships have long-lasting consequences on our personality. So, prepare to take a deep dive into the fascinating world of psychology. Our early attachments shape our future relationships and our very selves. Let's embark on a journey to unravel the mystery of you. Let's start with the critical periods in development. The initial years of life are crucial for personality formation, but why are these years so crucial? Let's delve into the concept of critical periods in development. These are specific timeframes within an individual's life during which the presence or absence of certain experiences can have long-lasting effects on their personality. Imagine the development of personality like constructing a building. The early years form the foundation and the basic structure. If this base is not solid, the entire building can become unstable. Similarly, the early years of an individual's life lay the groundwork for their personality, shaping their character, temperament, and behavior. Now, what makes these early years so critical? The answer lies in the interplay of biology and environment. Biologically, the brain is at its most malleable state during these initial years. It's like a sponge, soaking up every experience, every interaction. This plasticity of the brain allows it to adapt and learn rapidly, forming neural connections at an astonishing rate. This is a biological window of opportunity for learning and development, but it doesn't stay open forever. As we age, this plasticity decreases, making it harder to alter established patterns of behavior and thought. But biology is just one side of the coin. The environment plays an equally vital role. The experiences an individual has during these critical periods, whether positive or negative, leave a lasting imprint on their personality. The quality of care, stimulation, and interaction they receive contributes significantly to shaping their emotional, social, and cognitive development. For instance, consistent and responsive care can foster a sense of security and trust, encouraging the development of a confident and outgoing personality. On the other hand, neglect or abuse can instill fear and insecurity, leading to a more withdrawn and anxious personality. So the early years are not just about learning to walk and talk. They're about forming the core of who we are, setting the stage for future growth. They are the foundation of the personality, setting the stage for future growth. In the grand construction of personality, they are the blueprint, the scaffolding, the foundation. The experiences during these years are the bricks and mortar that shape the building of our personality. So, the early years are the foundation of the personality, setting the stage for future growth. And the next topic is the growth and development in personality, as the foundation has been laid. But how does the personality grow and develop over time? Just like a tree, the personality begins as a seed planted in the fertile soil of infancy. As we grow older, it shoots up, branching out and taking shape. It's the sum total of our experiences, relationships, and the environment we're nurtured in that determines how this tree of personality grows. Let's start with experiences. Each event in our lives, big or small, leaves an imprint on our psyche. Triumphs teach us resilience, failures foster humility, love nurtures empathy, betrayals breed caution. Every experience, be it joyous or painful, molds our personality in some way. Now let's talk about relationships. From the first bond we form with our caretaker to the friendships we cultivate, relationships play a pivotal role in shaping our personality. They teach us about cooperation, compromise, and compassion. They show us how to navigate conflict and how to express our emotions. They help us understand the world from different perspectives. And then there's the environment, the culture we grow up in, the values we're taught, the societal norms we're expected to adhere to. They all have a major influence on our personality. A person raised in a warm, supportive environment is likely to develop a different personality than someone who grows up in a harsh, critical one. That brings us to the concept of personality traits. Think of them as the leaves on our personality tree. They're the observable characteristics that define us, like our level of extroversion or our tendency towards orderliness. These traits can be nurtured or suppressed, depending on our experiences, relationships, and environment. So you see, our personality isn't something that's set in stone. It's an ever-evolving entity, shaped and reshaped by a myriad of factors. It's as unique as our fingerprints, a testament to our journey through life. Our personality is not stagnant, but constantly evolving, just like us. And now we see the attachment of caretaker. The bond between a child and their caretaker plays a pivotal role in personality development. But how, you might ask? Well, the answer lies in the concept of attachment. Attachment, in psychological terms, is a deep emotional bond that connects one person to another across time and space. This bond is often first formed in infancy between a child and their primary caregiver, typically a parent. This attachment serves as the blueprint for future relationships, influencing how we interact with others and perceive the world around us. There are different types of attachment, each with its unique impact on personality development. The first type is secure attachment. Children with secure attachment feel confident that their needs will be met. They are comfortable expressing their feelings and needs and are more likely to develop a positive self-image, trust in others, and the ability to form healthy relationships. On the other hand, children with insecure attachment often feel uncertain about the reliability of their caregivers. This uncertainty can manifest in two forms: anxious attachment and avoidant attachment. Anxiously attached children may become overly dependent on their caregivers, fearing abandonment and constantly seeking reassurance. Avoidantly attached children, however, might suppress their needs and emotions, keeping others at a distance to avoid potential rejection or disappointment. These early attachment experiences greatly shape our personalities. Securely attached individuals often grow into confident, empathetic, and resilient adults. They tend to have a positive outlook on life and are capable of maintaining fulfilling relationships. In contrast, those with insecure attachment may struggle with self-esteem, trust, and emotional regulation. They might find it challenging to form close relationships, often grappling with feelings of insecurity and fear. However, it's important to remember that early attachment experiences are not destiny. With self-awareness, supportive relationships, and sometimes professional help, individuals can work through their attachment issues and cultivate healthier ways of relating to others. In conclusion, the initial bond with our caretakers leaves an indelible imprint on our personalities. Our early experiences of love, care, and connection, or the lack thereof, lay the groundwork for the people we become. And now let's learn about the consequences of attachment. The nature of our early attachments has profound implications. Let's delve into these consequences. Our early relationships, specifically those formed in our infant years, lay the groundwork for our emotional blueprint. Secure attachments, formed through consistent and nurturing care, provide a solid foundation for future relationships. They foster a sense of trust and security, allowing us to form healthy, balanced relationships in adulthood. Conversely, insecure attachments, which are often the result of inconsistent or neglectful care, can lead to a myriad of challenges. These challenges may manifest as difficulties in forming secure relationships, maintaining emotional balance, and even navigating the world around us. When we discuss the long-term effects of these attachments on personality, we find that secure attachments often lead to confident, empathetic, and socially adept individuals. They are more likely to have a positive self-view and are generally more resilient when faced with life's ups and downs. On the other hand, those with insecure attachments may struggle with self-esteem issues, have difficulties managing emotions, and may find it challenging to form stable, trusting relationships. They might also exhibit anxious or avoidant behaviors in their relationships, which can lead to emotional turmoil. As far as mental health is concerned, secure attachments in early life can act as a buffer against psychological disorders. Conversely, insecure attachments can increase the risk of developing mental health issues, such as anxiety and depression. It's important to note, however, that these are not set in stone. Early intervention can play a crucial role in mitigating the effects of insecure attachments. Therapeutic interventions, supportive environments, and stable relationships later in life can help one navigate through these challenges. In essence, our early attachments serve as the building blocks of our personality and our approach towards relationships. They shape our emotional landscape and influence our mental well-being. It's a fascinating journey that underscores the importance of those early bonds in our lives. So, as we wrap up this segment, let's remember, our early attachments shape our future relationships and our very selves. As we journey through life, our personality is our constant companion, shaped by our early experiences and relationships. We've journeyed through the critical periods in development, recognizing their profound impact on personality growth. We've explored the intricate dance of growth and development in personality, understanding that it's a lifelong process, constantly evolving and reshaping. We delved into the significance of caregiver attachment, appreciating the deep-rooted influence it has on our adult relationships and self-perception. We also saw how the consequences of this attachment can ripple through our lives, shaping our responses to the world around us. Remember, understanding personality development isn't just about academic knowledge. It's a powerful tool for self-awareness and personal growth, giving us insights into why we are the way we are. It helps us to empathize with others, to appreciate their journeys, and to navigate our own with greater understanding and compassion. Understanding personality development gives us the key to understanding ourselves and others. So, keep exploring, keep growing, and if you feel this video is helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. Thank you for watching.